name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right. To begin the lesson, review pages 14 and 15 and 16 and 17. If you need help finding the string names, remember your Every Ant Deserves Great Big Ears song. We'll add in the B string and the little E string by playing the melodies on page 18 and 19. Box number 4 on page 18 would sound like this. Deserves rest, big rest. D, rest, B, rest. Box number 1 on page 19 would sound like this. Every ears. E, 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 E. After playing page 18 and 19, use the cards to create your very own songs. Use all of our notes, E, A, D, G, B, and little e. If you forget your assignment, come over and take a look. Treat your guitar with kindness, strum it gently, and remember, we're not going to touch the tuning keys.